Good afternoon. I'm here with Ms. Lumpkins. She's my mentor, and we are discussing Standard 8, Instructional Strategies. She was able to observe my lesson, my math lesson with my second graders, and we are debriefing about the lesson right now.
Yes, we are. What did you like about this lesson? Because I have a lot that I liked about this lesson.
I like using manipulatives. I like that the fact the kids were able to organize the attributes, the shape attributes, based on color, sizes, vertices, the angles of the shapes, and they were able to identify what's a quadrilateral, what's a triangle, because some of them still had trouble, which I know that when I went to the Common Core standards for Standard 1, when they were in the first grade, some few didn't grasp that standard, and of course as a teacher you had to teach for those amount of weeks and then move on to the next thing. So I guess those kids that did not understand what a quadrilateral is, I had to do more teaching for, but I enjoyed them using the manipulatives and exploring the manipulatives. I let them touch the manipulatives. I didn't give them any directions first. I wanted them to move them around, play with them, touch them, to explore. So that's called, that's the do now, that's the exploration part of the lesson. And then after that, then I gave them the instructions of what I wanted them to do.
Right. And that also cut down on the behavior in the classroom because you gave them that freedom to go ahead and play before you got started, because they would have done that while you were teaching.
Oh, yeah.
So that was very well done. That was a good strategy to use. I also noticed that when they were breaking into small groups to divide, in order to divide that object into thirds, halves, and fourths, that you were talking to a few of them in one area before you called them all back. But I like the way you did that strategy of asking them to share, because when they were sharing, Alan had that question. And when he had that question, you were able to get the class